expecting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Like, if you have any personal belongings, they can go either on the floor between your feet or in the pouch against the wall. Your seatbelt's gonna go wall to out right across your lap. Everyone, tell them that yellow tab on your belt.
Fair enough, time is money.
Perfect, there we go. And all your flashing buttons work together.
Yes, flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out.
Because there's only one engineer in that
Push the
train.
flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There is the train. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I can't go axiom! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in! Gunners, shoot the train! Engineers, reel us closer! That cargo is breaking free! Keep shooting! Good job, my friends! Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep after the train! That gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We're getting out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Look! Good night! Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have earned the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. Well, keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdal loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? Tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. For the crew, of course. All right, I am making an executive decision.
Make sure you
Everybody out. Go on, go on.